Clouds hang heavy over this region, threatening rain which rarely comes. When it does, it's never enough. It hasn't rained enough in northeastern Brazil for more than 5 years. No water runs through the pipes in Noemia's house.
I can't remember the last time I saw water running here, more than 2 years for sure. The water trucks are our only solution. We used to have a reservoir here, but the water is dirty. We can't use it. It's just for animals, not humans.
She, like the other 2,000 residents of the town of Chadomarinho, catches what rainfall she can and tops up her buckets and containers when the trucks come to fill the neighbourhood water tanks. Natural weather cycles, exacerbated by climate change, poor investment, corruption and waste. Less water, water shortages are a new reality residents here are learning to live with.
This crisis must teach us something. We need to understand that even with the new water being transported here, drought will always be part of our lives.
Jorge and Rita from the Civil Defence Force ensures supplies are clean enough to drink, while monitoring that what's becoming an increasingly sparse and valuable commodity gets to the right people. I'm standing in what should be the middle of the Bacurau Reservoir, which since 2011 has seen its waters diminish from right up there to a mere dribble, forcing the tens of thousands of people that live in this region to reassess their relationship with the commodity they once took for granted. Cecilio remembers when things here were different, when the reservoir burst its banks and his sister had to move away to safety. But that was many years ago. Fishermen now plant crops on the reservoir bed. But help is at hand. A long-awaited, much-delayed government project is due this week to start diverting water 400 kilometres from the Sao Francisco River to the region's dry rivers and lakes, boosting supplies to the reservoir.
The River Sao Francisco diversion will allow us to keep 30% of our water supply. So if we use the water in a rational way, if we force companies to reuse water such as sewage, we'll manage to avoid droughts in the future.
For most, it can't come soon enough. For others, it's already too late.